Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business social media ad using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and select the Posterize adjustment because this business ad needs bold visual impact. I duplicate the original image to keep it safe. I go to Image, Adjustments, Posterize, and adjust levels carefully while pausing to observe changes in tones and contrasts. Business visuals require calm precision. I notice some areas become too harsh, so I mask selectively using a soft brush to preserve key details. I zoom in to refine edges and smooth transitions. I carefully pick colors to highlight the